Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about what to do after you peel off wallpaper and there's nothing left on your drywall. For this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a mud tray, a metal trowel, and some drywall mud. The job that we're doing is actually called a skim coat. The object is to put a really thin layer of drywall mud over the entire wall. So, go ahead, work our drywall mud a little bit, get some on our trowel, and apply it to the face of the drywall. Now what we want to do is put our mud on and then take our trowel and put some force on it and take a lot of that mud off. And what you're left with is a real thin layer of mud. After you do the entire wall like this, you want to take some drywall sandpaper, give it a real light sand, and you're ready to paint. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.